Looking for a quick and easy way to create professional ID cards? Meet ID Card Maker AI, the tool designed for students, teachers, and office workers alike. With just one click, you can generate modern and clean ID cards for schools, colleges, coaching centers, or offices. Simply upload your photo, enter your name, class, department, or designation, and let the AI do the rest. You can even customize colors, layout, logo, and background to match your style or organization's branding. The entire process takes less than a minute, and it's completely free. Whether you need IDs for projects, staff, or quick events, ID Card Maker AI makes it effortless. Give it a try today.